Hey everybody, I am pregnant and I am craving a good hard drink like a Blue Lagoon, and obviously I can't drink that while I'm pregnant, so I figured I'm gonna try my hand at mocktails. So Bartender Brynne and Billy are here to try our hand at a mocktail for the Blue Lagoon, and as a bonus we're gonna do a taste test and compare. Billy will compare how the Blue Lagoon stacks up to the mocktail Blue Lagoon, so stay tuned.
Hey Corkies, welcome back to corkandjava.com. We're your go-to place for everything coffee, wine, reviews, and how-tos. We like to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages. So if that sounds interesting to you and you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button down below and that little bell so you're notified when all of our future videos come out.
All right, I'm excited. This is our first mocktail video.
Mocktail meaning a cocktail that's non-alcoholic.
Right.
For those who either don't want to partake in alcohol, maybe they're underage, or they
just drink alcohol, or they cannot drink alcohol if they have a health condition or pregnant or whatever the case may be. So,
yep. But I'll let you know if it stacks up to the real deal. So we're gonna do a real taste test here.
Yeah. So a traditional Blue Lagoon, typically, I've seen a lot of variations of it in my day, but typically has the Blue Curacao in it, vodka and lemonade. If you recall, maybe last summer, I think, is when we did our summer cocktails. I made a raspberry Blue Lagoon with the raspberry lemonade in it. Super easy, but that like little tartness from the raspberry, delicious. This time I thought that I would try the sparkling pink lemonade. So I tried to find something a little bit more unique than just plain old-fashioned lemonade. So this should have like a little fizz to it, which will be fun. And so my mocktail version will just be primarily the lemonade and this Tirani Blue Curacao Syrup. So this is non-alcoholic. Obviously this is a liqueur, so it's gonna have alcohol in it. Don't use that if you want to make yourself a mocktail. So
also, if you don't have this sparkling pink lemonade and you just have regular pink lemonade and you want it sparkling, grab some club soda or get some carbonated water from wherever to make it fizzy.
Yeah, if you want it fizzy, yeah. So just gonna, oh no, this is tight. There we go. I haven't even, ooh, wow, that is really strong. I haven't even tried this. Right off the bat, it has kind of like a very artificial blue.
What's the ratio you're going for here?
Just a splash, really.
Of the blue?
Yeah. Of course. Oh wow, this is
That's quite the splash.
Yeah, well, it's a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be too.
Well, it's a syrup.
Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting, but all right. Okay. So I'm just gonna stir just to make sure that syrup is combined. Okay.
All right.
A little bit of fizz.
Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun. There's my very unfancy cocktail or mocktail. It's actually, for as strong as this smelled when I first opened it, it's actually not that overpowering of a
It's very
taste.
sweet. It's almost like a Shirley Temple to me.
Well, if it had like the cherry and ginger ale.
You can't even taste the alcohol. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so remember how this tastes. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that.
Oh, you're gonna make it even sweeter.
Yeah,
That's gonna be like, whoo!
It wasn't as sweet as I thought it was gonna be.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
It was like candy.
What? Our palates are very different, clearly. I like that a little bit better now.
It's like if you made a Shirley Temple with like 50% grenadine in it. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, I mean, it's sweet, but the Blue Lagoon is also sweet. I mean, it's lemonade.
All right, so for the regular Blue Lagoon, we're going 1 ounce.
Yep.
Pretty much just a splash of this.
If you wanted to make these fancy, like if you were, doing a, like a mocktail bridal shower or baby shower or, Mother's Day or something like that, you could obviously like get real cutesy with the garnishes. Like usually they're served with like a lemon slice or an orange slice. Or, I've seen it with like even cherries and stuff in it. So you could get all cutesy with it if you wanted to do something around the rim.
All right. Oh yeah.
Less sweet?
Way less sweet.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And you're getting a little bit kind of that vodka in there. I don't know, it just feels less like
more balanced probably than just...
Yeah, for a cocktail.
Yeah.
But I mean, you got the fun stuff in there, so.
So how does this, I mean, they're...
It's less sweet, taste-wise though. I mean, it nails it pretty much with the taste, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, that was the goal, to find something that's like a suitable replacement for when you want the alcohol and you can't have it, so.
Yeah, and I mean, I think you could even go less of the the syrup if you don't like it quite as sweet. But if you're a fan of like Shirley Temples and stuff, you're really gonna like that. And I know as a kid that was my favorite thing to drink at weddings, Shirley Temples all day long. So
throwing them back, a little 9-year-old Billy drinking those Shirley Temples.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, I found this on Amazon for like what, $10 or something like this huge thing. So
yeah, we'll link that in the description below.
So definitely check this out if you want to make a Blue Lagoon at home. Overall, I mean, I know what they are supposed to taste like. I think this is probably pretty close, and you would agree that it tastes pretty close. So, well, I will count that as a win, and I'll just pretend that I'm getting the vodka and the liqueur in my drink when I'm not.
Awesome.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
All right, guys, make sure you're checking us out on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online in all those awesome places. So until next time, bottoms up.